Chapter 2397, Clear Sky Islands Island Lord. Published by Divine Tao Library. Translator, Salavan and Godbrandy. Translation checker, Pew Pew Lasergun. Editor and proofreader, Leo of Zion Mountain and Dale Ligerkeys. Bing Long's guess turned out to be correct. Ancestral founder Bing Yun didn't die and had indeed ascended to a higher world. And now, she was standing in front of Yang Kai. Ice Heart Valley was once Su Yan's master sect, and Bing Yun was the founder of Ice Heart Valley. For this reason, Yang Kai felt some intimacy towards her and was no longer as tense as before around her. Although Bing Yun's expression was still icy, her beautiful eyes seemed much gentler. Even for her, it was very hard to meet someone from her native star field. Sit down, this queen has many things she wants to ask you. Bing Yun pointed at a nearby chair. Yes, Yang Kai cupped his fists and obediently sat down. Over the next 2 hours, Bing Yun asked Yang Kai a lot of things related to Scarlet Wave Star and Ice Heart Valley. Yang Kai didn't leave anything out, and he told her everything he knew. From his relationship with Su Yan to what they'd experienced in Ice Heart Valley. After listening, Bing Yun kept silent for a long time. She was the founder of Ice Heart Valley, and although she'd long ago reached this star boundary and not visited home since then, the feelings she had for her sect did not disappear. After hearing that the current Ice Heart Valley only had a single First-Order Origin King, she sighed with emotion. Back in her time, Ice Heart Valley was the sole overlord of Scarlet Wave Star, and her sect was famous throughout the entire Heng Luo starfield, possessing countless masters and incredible influence. But now, 10,000 years later, Ice Heart Valley was just a shadow of its former self. Bing Yun couldn't help becoming a bit sentimental after hearing the news. Nonetheless, she was a Third-Order Emperor Realm Master, and was not shaken so easily. She was well aware that no sect could prosper forever, and that decline was inevitable. The fact that Ice Heart Valley continued to exist after all this time was also something worth celebrating. It was the fruit of the later generations' effort. Senior, back then, how did you leave our native star field and arrive here? Yang Kai hurried to change the topic after seeing her melancholic expression. Bing Yun pursed her lips and smiled. It happened by chance. This queen entered a sealed world, and when I managed to escape, I found myself in this star boundary. What about you? Yang Kai scratched his head. Several friends and I borrowed the Might of the Star Emperor tokens the Starry Sky Great Emperor left behind and opened the Starlight Channel to the star boundary. The Starry Sky Great Emperor? Bing Yun furrowed her brow, which made her look very cute. Seeing her expression, Yang Kai realized that there was no Starry Sky Great Emperor during her time and started explaining. After listening to the explanation, Bing Yun nodded. I didn't expect that such a master would pass by such a small place. Still, I've never heard of this Yang Yan you speak of. I'm clueless as to where she is right now or what her cultivation is. Yang Kai forced a smile. After arriving in this star boundary, while he hadn't actively looked for clues related to her, Yang Kai also never heard of any Great Emperor Yang Yan. At the very least, there was no one with that name among the 10 Great Emperors. At the same time, Yang Kai recalled Lin Yunair. Back when Yang Yan left Shadowed Star, she took Lin Yunair off with her. So many years had passed, and Yang Kai couldn't help but wonder how that little girl was doing. She was just a silly little girl at that time, but after so many years, she should have already become a pretty young woman, right? If there's fate, you'll meet again, Bing Yun said gently. Yang Kai nodded in agreement. Fate was truly a marvelous thing, and it was not something that could be understood or explained. If there was no fate, no matter how hard one tried, nothing would come out of it, but if there was fate, one could reunite even if they didn't do anything. The fact that Yang Kai could meet Bing Yun in this solitary void-sealed world was also a kind of fate. Ah, yes, Senior, why did you summon me here today? Before coming here, Yang Kai was still worried about what this reclusive Ice Heart Pavilion master would ask of him, but now, he was completely relaxed. It's very difficult to find a Dao Source-grade alchemist on the island. You're likely the only person this queen could find. I wanted to ask you how much time you'd need to advance if you're provided with the necessary materials, Bing Yun said. Advance to become a Dao Source-grade high-rank alchemist. Yang Kai raised his brow, quickly understanding something and asking, Senior, do you want me to refine a certain kind of pill? Bing Yun nodded, correct. The pill this queen wants to refine is of very high grade. If your alchemy skills aren't high enough, you might fail. Senior, what pill do you want me to refine? The 100 Revolutions Emperor Yuan pill. After hearing this, Yang Kai frowned. He was an emperor-grade alchemist, so he naturally knew about the 100 Revolutions Emperor Yuan pill. It was a kind of pill that masters in the emperor realm used to restore their emperor qi. A low-rank Emperor Yuan pill allowed the consumer to recover 10% of their qi within a short period, a mid-rank one 20%, and a high-rank one 30%. Moreover, the time this recovery required was very short. But due to Emperor realm masters having plenty of emperor qi, they rarely used this kind of pill. Moreover, it wasn't easy to refine, so there was next to no market for this spirit pill. Yang Kai was surprised to know that Bing Yun wanted him to refine the 100 Revolutions Emperor Yuan pill and couldn't understand why she needed one. Just as he was about to tell her the truth about his alchemical skills, Bing Yun's expression suddenly changed. She lifted her head and looked in a certain direction, then hurriedly called out to Yang Kai, "Come here." Her hand grabbed at Yang Kai from a distance and a powerful suction force spread from her palm. Without any opportunity to resist, Yang Kai was dragged in front of her. She then patted her seat, causing a small secret compartment to appear. She then stuffed Yang Kai in and warned him, "Conceal your aura and hold your breath. Unless this queen tells you, don't come out. Don't do anything that would reveal your presence." Yang Kai had no idea what was happening, but seeing Bing Yun's anxious expression, he knew that it was nothing good. No matter what, she was a third-order Emperor Realm Master, and there weren't many people who could cause her to be this cautious. As it wasn't the time to ask questions, Yang Kai curled up in the secret compartment and used his Nihility secret technique to conceal his aura. Peng. The secret compartment closed and Bing Yun sat on it cross-legged while using some kind of technique to further isolate Yang Kai's presence. She was afraid that his cultivation wasn't high enough and that any aura concealing technique he used wouldn't be sufficient, but after a quick check, she discovered that Yang Kai's whole body had become illusory, just as if he'd entered a different space. Even with her divine sense, she found it hard to sense him despite the short distance between them. Sensing this, she finally relaxed. It seemed she'd underestimated Yang Kai's abilities. In the next moment, a figure flashed and appeared inside the room. This figure wore a smile on his face and cupped his fists, saying in a refined manner, "Junior Sister Bing Yun, I haven't seen you in 3 months, but your bearing is as impeccable as ever. Such poise brings me great joy." In the secret compartment, Yang Kai was startled. He didn't know who this person was, but he sure was audacious. He even dared to refer to Bing Yun as junior sister. Truly someone who did not fear the heavens. Still, there could be only one person on Clear Sky Island that had the qualifications to call Bing Yun this way. Clear Sky Island's island master, Qi Ri. After realizing the identity of the other party, Yang Kai understood why Bing Yun was so vigilant. Still, what was Qi Ri doing here in Iceheart Pavilion? Moreover, what was the relationship between these two third-order Emperor Realm Masters? After all, as soon as she realized he was coming here, Bing Yun had stuffed Yang Kai in the secret compartment. At this time, the only thing Yang Kai was sure of was that Bing Yun seemed to be wary of Qi Ri. Just as he was in deep thought, Bing Yun's calm voice echoed, "Qi Ri, are you here for another attempt?" Qi Ri laughed loudly. "Life on the island is pretty boring, and only junior sister Bing Yun can pique my interest. Since you gave me this test, I'll do my best to complete it. The faster I can win the beauty, the faster we can build our nest." Hearing his words, Yang Kai's facial muscles twitched. Now he could more or less guess why Qi Ri had come here. It seemed he was attracted to Bing Yun. This wasn't too surprising, though. On the whole Clear Sky Island, only Bing Yun could stand on an equal footing with him. As if that wasn't enough, she was also beautiful, pure, and flawless. Even a master like Qi Ri would be moved by her appearance. In any case, Bing Yun seemed to have given Qi Ri some sort of test, which he had yet to complete, so he hadn't captured the beauty's heart yet. Nevertheless, Yang Kai felt that even if Qi Ri completed the test, Bing Yun wouldn't marry him. Bing Yun had been alive for over 10,000 years, during which time she must have met countless capable men that were interested in her. If she'd wanted to settle down, she would have done so already. There was no way she'd be waiting for someone like Qi Ri. Yang Kai was also privy to the fact that a lot of Iceheart Valley's secret arts required the user to retain their purity. As the ancestral founder of Iceheart Valley, Bing Yun must cultivate several such arts. In short, this seemed to be a story of unrequited love. Even Yang Kai could feel Bing Yun's cold and hostile attitude, so there was no way Qi Ri couldn't. Bing Yun coldly snorted, "If that's the case, come forth." Silence fell in the room. Yang Kai didn't dare to release his divine sense or reveal his aura. Therefore, he was oblivious as to what was happening outside. A moment later though, the silence was broken by a series of howls. Yang Kai could feel that an incredible clash taking place inside the room. Even if he was hiding in the secret compartment, he was panic-stricken, afraid that some of the energy would leak out and destroy the walls of his hiding spot. If that happened, he would have nowhere to hide. The fight didn't last long though, and after just a few breaths it abruptly came to an end. Bing Yun's cold voice echoed, "It spilled." Chi Ri sounded annoyed, so close. This king almost managed to drink a cup of tea prepared by junior sister Bing Yun. How unfortunate. Please leave. With no trace of politeness, Bing Yun sent the uninvited guest out.